Not all luxury cars are created equal. Some promise comfort, but ride like a stiff board. Others boast cutting-edge tech, but leave you frustrated with endless glitches. And then there are those rare few, the sedans that get everything right. In 2025, the battle for the best luxury sedan has never been more intense. Brands are pushing the limits of innovation, blending high-speed performance with first-class comfort. But here's the twist. Not every big name is living up to the hype. Some longtime favorites have taken a step back, while unexpected contenders are stealing the spotlight. So, which luxury sedans truly deliver the ultimate driving experience this year? Stay with me, because in this list, we'll break down the top 5 luxury sedans of 2025, ranked based on real-world performance, cutting-edge features, and long-term reliability. And trust me, you might be shocked at which car didn't make the cut. Let's kick things off with a luxury icon that just got a major upgrade, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. When you think of luxury, one name instantly comes to mind: Mercedes-Benz. And in 2025, they've raised the bar yet again with the all-new E-Class. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a full transformation. Sleek, sophisticated, and packed with cutting-edge tech, this sedan blends first-class comfort with a driving experience that feels effortless. Under the hood, the E-Class gives you options, starting with a refined turbocharged inline-six and a plug-in hybrid variant for those who want power without sacrificing efficiency. But where this car truly shines is inside. Imagine stepping into a cabin that feels like the future. The MBUX hyperscreen stretches across the dashboard, responding to your voice, touch, and even your gestures. The seats, not just heated and ventilated, they massage you while you drive. And let's talk about ride quality. With adaptive air suspension, the E-Class practically floats over the road, making bumps and potholes disappear like magic. But of course, luxury like this comes at a price. With top trims easily pushing past $75,000, the E-Class isn't for everyone. And while its tech is impressive, some might find it overwhelming, especially if you're not a fan of touchscreens controlling everything. Still, for those who want a perfect mix of innovation, comfort, and prestige, the E-Class remains the gold standard. But what if you want something with a bit more edge? A sedan that's just as luxurious, but with a sharper, more aggressive driving feel. That's where the BMW 5 Series steps in, and trust me, it's bringing some serious competition. Luxury isn't just about comfort, it's about control. And if you want a sedan that makes every drive feel like an event, the 2025 BMW 5 Series is built for you. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Precision handling, razor-sharp acceleration, and a cockpit designed for pure driving pleasure. This is what BMW does best. Under the hood, you get multiple options. The standard turbocharged inline-six delivers an impressive 375 horsepower, but if you crave serious speed, the M550i xDrive steps up with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, rocketing from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds, faster than some sports cars. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive keeps you planted on the road, while its adaptive suspension ensures every twist and turn feels effortless. Step inside and you'll find the perfect blend of high-tech luxury and driver-focused design. The curved infotainment display seamlessly integrates with BMW's iDrive system, giving you AI-powered voice controls, real-time navigation, and even gesture commands. The Harman Kardon sound system immerses you in crystal-clear audio, while the sports seats hug you in all the right places. And let's not forget the ambient lighting. It changes dynamically to match your driving mode, adding an extra layer of emotion to every ride. But here's the catch. This car isn't for everyone. If you're looking for a plush, ultra-smooth ride, the Mercedes E-Class does it better. The 5 Series leans towards sportiness, meaning the suspension can feel firmer, especially on rough roads. And while BMW's tech is cutting edge, it can take time to get used to. Still, if you want a sedan that blends luxury with excitement, the 5 Series is an unbeatable choice. But what if you want a luxury sedan that's not just powerful, but also drop-dead gorgeous? One that turns heads the moment it rolls down the street. That's where the Audi A7 takes the spotlight. Some cars are built to perform, others are designed for pure luxury. But what if you could have both? Wrapped in a package so stunning, it turns heads wherever it goes. That's exactly what the 2025 Audi A7 delivers. With its sleek, fastback design, aggressive front grille, and signature matrix LED headlights, this sedan isn't just a car, it's a rolling masterpiece. But the A7 isn't just about looks. It backs up its style with serious substance. Under the hood, you get a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, pushing out 335 horsepower with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive. That means instant power, a 0 to 60 time of just 5.2 seconds, and a ride that feels planted in all conditions. Want more efficiency? The plug-in hybrid variant gives you up to 26 miles of all-electric range, making it one of the most eco-friendly choices in the luxury sedan market. Step inside, and it's like stepping into the future. The cabin is crafted with premium leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum trim, making it one of the most refined interiors in its class. The dual touchscreen MMI infotainment system seamlessly blends digital controls with sleek design. But here's where opinions split. While it looks high-tech, some drivers find the touchscreen-heavy interface a little distracting compared to the physical controls in competitors like the BMW 5 Series or Mercedes E-Class. And while the A7 is packed with tech, it's not all perfect. Some users have reported minor glitches with the infotainment system, and at higher speeds, the ride can feel slightly firmer than the E-Class. But if you're looking for a luxury sedan that combines style, technology, and all-weather capability, the Audi A7 is a solid contender. But what if you want the ultimate blend of luxury and value? Something that delivers a premium experience without the sky-high price tag. That's where the Genesis G80 makes its mark, and it might just be the biggest surprise on this list. What if you could get the luxury of a Mercedes, the performance of a BMW, and the technology of an Audi, all without the sky-high price tag? That's exactly what the 2025 Genesis G80 delivers. This sedan isn't just a competitor, it's a wake-up call to the big luxury brands. And if you haven't been paying attention to Genesis, now is the time. Under the hood, the G80 offers two solid engine choices: a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 with 300 horsepower for efficiency, and a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing 375 horsepower for those who crave extra power. The V6 variant accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds, and thanks to the available all-wheel drive, you get impressive stability no matter the road conditions. While it may not match the razor-sharp handling of the BMW 5 Series, the G80 prioritizes what luxury buyers care about most: a quiet, ultra-smooth ride that feels like gliding on air. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that rivals cars costing $20,000 more. Soft Napa leather, real wood trim, and a massive 14.5-inch infotainment screen give the cabin an upscale feel. Unlike some competitors that rely heavily on touch controls, Genesis keeps physical buttons for key functions, making the user experience seamless. The Lexicon Premium audio system is another highlight, delivering one of the richest, most immersive sound experiences in its class. But even great cars have trade-offs. While Genesis has come a long way, it still lacks the brand prestige of Mercedes or BMW, meaning resale values aren't as strong. And while its tech is advanced, it's not quite as futuristic as the Mercedes MBX Hyperscreen or Audi's virtual cockpit. But here's the bottom line. If you want the most luxury for your money, the G80 is nearly impossible to beat. But what if reliability is your top priority? What if you want a luxury sedan that you know will last 200,000 miles or more with minimal headaches? That's where the Lexus ES takes the crown, and it's been unbeatable in this category for years. Luxury is great, but what good is it if your car spends more time in the repair shop than on the road? That's why the 2025 Lexus ES remains one of the smartest choices in the luxury sedan market. It may not have the flashy tech of a Mercedes or the aggressive handling of a BMW, but when it comes to long-term reliability, low maintenance costs, and overall comfort, the ES is in a league of its own. Powering the ES is a proven 3.5-liter V6 that delivers 302 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The ride is buttery smooth, thanks to its well-tuned suspension, making it perfect for long, highway drives. And if fuel economy is a priority, Lexus offers a hybrid variant that gets an impressive 44 miles per gallon, making it one of the most fuel-efficient luxury sedans on the market. Inside, the ES delivers everything you'd expect from Lexus: hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood trim, and whisper-quiet cabin insulation. The 12.3-inch infotainment screen is sharp and responsive, and Lexus has finally introduced wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a long-awaited upgrade. The seats, supportive, spacious, and designed for maximum comfort, especially on long road trips. While it may not have the ultra-luxurious feel of the Mercedes E-Class, it offers top-tier refinement at a lower cost. So, what's the catch? Well, if you're looking for a thrill behind the wheel, the ES isn't going to deliver the excitement of a BMW 5 Series or Audi A7. The steering is light, and while it's a joy to drive in daily conditions, it's not built for high-performance handling. But if you value peace of mind, resale value, and a car that can easily last 200,000 miles or more, the Lexus ES is hands down the best option. So, after breaking down these top luxury sedans, which one is truly the best? Let's wrap it all up and help you decide which sedan fits your lifestyle. So, after breaking down the top 5 luxury sedans of 2025, which one is truly the best? Well, that depends on what luxury means to you. If you want the ultimate blend of comfort, prestige, and cutting-edge tech, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is the top choice. It delivers a smooth, high-tech experience that feels more like a first-class flight than a car ride. But if you're the kind of driver who craves precision, agility, and a performance-driven edge, then the BMW 5 Series is where you should be looking. Now, if design and sophistication are your priorities, the Audi A7 offers a fastback look that stands out from the crowd while delivering a powerful yet refined ride. But what if you want top-tier luxury without the sky-high price tag? The Genesis G80 proves that you don't need to spend 6 figures to enjoy a premium experience. It's the best value on this list. And finally, If you're the type of buyer who wants rock-solid reliability, lower maintenance costs, and a car that'll last 200,000 miles or more, the Lexus ES is hands down the safest bet. It may not be the flashiest, but when it comes to dependability, nothing else comes close. So, which one would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments below. I'd love to see which luxury sedan takes the crown according to you. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert car rankings and reviews. More exciting content is on the way, and you won't want to miss it.